that's a problem when the actuator is a newly overhauled.
Paano ito? Ayan o, lumalabas.
Hindi. Sensor yan na ano eh.
Ha?
Sensor yan.
Sensor yan? Saan yung sensor na yan?
Yung 274 na yun ay atmospheric sensor yan. Ay engine tapos 428-3. Mga ano to, open wire to. Oh. Ito shorted to 274. Open wire 274 at saka ano 428. Okay. Ayan na naman po sa export. Babaklasin po yung ano actuator sensor, actuator pressure sensor. So
Yung maingay, dinudukot yan.
he is the one that I mentioned in my past video.
Kung Inglesin niya.
He is bully dog.
Bully dog.
Bully dog. Ay baka maano tayo, makapira tayo sa bully dog. Bilis ang baklas ah. Bago to, dabasi to eh. Kaya
Hindi naman
gasan mo na, linisin mo na. Uring mo.
Papapanood ka ng
See,
Dabashi dyan.
this is a new.
05 ohms yan.
This is from Dabashi. Could you
Ayan,
imagine?
ito?
The same part number,
05 ohms.
but agoy ginoo, kaya pala hindi ko mababasa to kay ginasundot mo yung lubot ko.
05 ohms. Siguro ang ano na nito. Mainit oh. May baterya na oh.
Now we will return the old one. See? Could you see that? Oh, yes.
Yan dito, maganda ganyan oh. Patay yung ano.
Hindi makita. Pero yan lang yung dahilan kung bakit. Bakit kung dahilan. It's sometimes
It's prank.
prank. You see? He is smiling. See, he is a chick Neo. Chick Neo. So we will see. Ay, may uri yan, Bulldog?
Tapos pinalitan mo.
Luma na yun. Dati yun, luma niya. Tapos pinalitan ko ng luma din.
Kan mo galing.
Ay, yung spare ko yun na luma. Pang testing ko ba? Hindi, siguro na check ko na ano. Pero check ko doon kung saan in order ko.
Kaya na sa ano namin eh.
Kasi wala siyang silicone dito.
Mapertiba rin plastic yun. Buti, dumating kaya. Tanggal ka na yung tambot mo.
Pati, paiyakan na naman. Eh si Master naman kasi, ang diagnostic, kalinaw-linaw doon, wala namang injector. Ang injector kasi, ang pagkamakina, related engine, 36. Tapos pag injector, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanggang 6 lang yon. Tapos, tigi ano yun, nagko-combine yan ng numero. 1-2, 1-5, 1-3, ganon. Wala na, nahiwi na yung uso nung aming superdukot. Meeting to, meeting. Meeting yan, meeting. Halo? Ay, coming ni. Tinatapos lang itong pagsalpak ng sensor. We have on audience now, you see. He is the chief mechanic. And then this is Shalala mechanic of site. And then the other one is a diesel man. And this is the other mechanic.
Assistant mechanic.
So now we're going to start. We'll see what happens.
That kid mechanic. Hello?
I'm going up to the cabin. Oh. Okay, now it's switching on. This eye, again, you have to double push, but little bit delayed. Push 1, push 2. Okay. Okay, start. As you can hear the sound of the engine, still same. Okay naman, this response of acceleration is okay. Okay. Again, we will show you the next troubleshooting what we are making. I'm going to stop for now.
Yan na po. What's up, madlang people? Ano yan? Galing magdukot yan. Oh, yan nyo?
Pasok! Napasok!
Pasok talaga?
Ah, sige, Darbo. Nardo. Okay. Pasok. Sandali! Subukan mo nga, Jimmy, spray ng ano? CRC, baka kayanin pa. Now we're going to clean the atmospheric sensor. This is the place where the atmospheric can come. Ha? Bitching ko. Okay. Fix back. Put it back the wire. Wah. Okay, I'm going back to the cabin just to check if everything is success.
Start!
Ipwesto mo muna dun sa ano, yun mo. Cellphone mo na cellphone dyan eh.
Dalawa?
Delay pindot ha. Yung pa-delay mo lang na ilang second. Bitaw. Isa, dalawa.
Oh, isa na lang
Isa na lang, sige. Sa differential yan. Start mo.
Wait na lang.
Okay.
Yun lang yan.
Baka mga
Plus condition. Plus ano lang?
plus connection na.
Pambihira. Saan na yung isa?
Tuloy mo na. Ha? Sa ano yan? Sa differential, yung sa likod.
Yung socket?
May sensor doon. Temperature. Di ba may nakalawit na wire doon?
Oh, meron.
Yun.
Bakit tatanggal yun?
Sige nga. Sige nga, sabay.
Okay na yun.
Troubleshooting. This engine is newly overhauled. See, our chief mechanic is there. He's posing like a pretty boy. See, just a smoke.
Uy, lumabas na naman oh. Kung sabihin ko, bumalik oh.
Oh, may problema yan. Sira yung sensor mo. Kailangan natin sensor. Pero okay na yung acceleration niya. See, as you can hear the video. Wala ng sensor eh. Yeah, so up. Okay, see the video. There's a Tukulokoy over there. It's looking the camera. Ha?
Yung bago pala.
Nasa sensor? Bago yun. Yung luma tinanggal ulit. Kasi nga, nung yung luma pa nakasalpak,
Ganun pa rin.
kay inalayin ko lang yung ano, inalalayan kong hawak habang nakaandar dyan. Yun, nawala yung ano niya.
Balik na yung lumaya.
Hindi, bago na. Para sigurado na. Original naman pala yun. Galing din Caterpillar. Okay, 150. Shower. Okay, this is the final and everything all done in a proper way. So this is the last and we will see if there is an error more. As you can see now. Okay, we switch on. Now I'm going to switching on the I button information or what. As you can see, zero error. Okay, it means everything is already finished. So I would like to say a little about the how the engine is what we call how the engine will be in a block, just like a triggering or misfiring or the same as if you think that is a mechanical work. Anyone who troubleshoot at this type of machine, so once the engine is triggering and then that is not blow by or same as more than a triggering, it's just only a triggering, so I will advise that don't think about or removing something on mechanical things like maybe in an injector or what. You have to check it first here in diagnostic system of the machine. Okay, check the diagnostic and then you will find what we have. But in this situation, we try to see the diagnostic, only they showing in attachment of the machine. But about the problem, which sensor is the have problem in the engine, that's what we call engine actuation pressure sensor. That is same like a common reel, but that sensor is sensing the pressure of oil. Okay, it's not a fuel, but the function of the sensor same as a common reel, so actuating pressure sensor. Okay, that is again, that is located on the cylinder head front side at the left side. That is a stainless color 3-pin. Okay, this problem is like a triggering engine, or when you accelerate, the engine is not running like a normal RPM. the problem is ring, 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 ring. It is not same as a normal acceleration. Same, not like that. Okay. Okay, that's all. We hope that you have learned in this video that I would like to share to all of you. Okay, because this happen always been happen, but sometimes the mechanic or electrician, they think it is a mechanical problem, but that's not right. Okay, there is a problem on actuation pressure sensor. Okay, ito na mga kabogart, ka-YouTuber, patapos na. Hindi namin nakuha kahapon yung problema niya about sa sensor. Ngayon, ang ginawa namin, pinuntahan namin ang pump. Smooth. So, get the pump from the other engine. So again and again, could you imagine his face, see? The same as the people yesterday. Ay, Pogi. Tingin nga naman. Oh, ayan ano, yan siya yun. Siya yun, the only one. Anji, Paji, kaya Ji. Tiga. Yan. Sasalita siya ng ng India. Singkaro. But inshallah, about this process will be finished the problem. Okay, so hope the problem will solve. Hope today everything will be finished. Okay, this is the shower pump. Okay, that was we removed yesterday. So Brian, he removed this from that shower because we found out when we started yesterday for a long hour, and this side have oil leaking, so that means the pressure that producing of this pump going to the cylinder head through actuator, it is very low. That's why they cannot act, or the engine, they cannot give full acceleration or normal acceleration because of that pressure. So something wrong on the leaking, so the pressure they cannot produce higher than the normal. Higher than the normal, higher that we need to become a normal. Okay, so we hope that this video that somebody's facing, it is a different to the actuator sensor. Also, they have a problem in actuator sensor yesterday, but based on our analysis, and then we found out that the leak over here, so we don't have any choice. We'll have to remove complete, replace other one. But luckily, we have our generator, the same type of engine. Okay, they have the same. The color of the engine is black. The same model of the engine. Okay, the same. Almost the same. Nothing will be different. The difference only is software and where the engine is functioning. What work of the engine on the machine. Okay, so I will cut for now. So we will see the result of our see, he's still fixing the cover and attachment of this shovel. Say hello naman, hello. Hello mga kaayungan. Hi mga pants. Ano yun? Pants, pantalon. As you can see, this is the black color. It is not same color with the original, okay? But the same as this part is original. Only they change the color. Change the color because the manufacturer of the generator is make different color. But the engine manufactured by Perkins. Okay. Okay, we'll cut for now. I will see after once we started. Our chief mechanic, they inspect the installation. So, Chief, show your face here. Oh, he's like a. Okay, we'll see the. Up! Patayin mo na! Di pa tumunog yung ano eh. Binumba mo ba dito? Nabumba na naiyon mo yung pump kanina? Wala, parang kulang yung ano eh. Isa pa Jimmy, ulitin mo, tutunog na yan. Bakit? Ha? Now we hear the sounds of fuel pressure. So that is a priming pump. Patayin mo ulit, isa pa. So we'll have to see how the engine will start. Inshallah will be in normal So again, the pump, because the fuel line going to the injector pressure drill. Wala pa. Kailangan tumunog yan. Wait. Dapat nga yung ano siya, uungol siya eh. Bago ba yung ano niyan, yung sa return niya? Sometimes see, as you can see. Up! Again, he's going to inspect maybe some attachment. Doon sa ibabaw ng pump. Able to shock by gas, other gas. So, I want to see there. As you can see, that was the yesterday by focusing so you can see that sensor. That sensor we are we replaced yesterday. So, but the engine, it will run normally at first starting. After that, maybe the pressure will be low. The pressure will become low. So the engine will be in a triggering or hunting. It is running, but the engine is not stable. So, okay, I'm going to see the top of the pump. Okay, everything is installed properly. Going to this is the pure priming sound. One more time.
Sinaksak ba yung kuryente dito sa dito pa? Di yata na.
Nakasaksak.
Ito.
Iyop mo, bulldog.
Meron yung hindi may kapit.
Nakasalpak naman lahat eh.
Wala mo yung ano?
Alin?
Ano nakakuan ba ito? Yung weather. Hindi ako sure kung nakuan ko yan. Yung isa.
Ito?
Hindi yung isa. Yung tatayo. Yan.
Salpak naman ah. Okay naman. Again, I will repeat if the sensor is installed properly. Okay naman. Ito parang hindi nakabaon. Yun. Tumunog. Ah. Okay, try mo ulit. Spray mo ulit. We will force to start with a contact cleaner or CRC because maybe the fuel line system is empty, so still. Hindi kaya may mali doon sa fuel line niya? To start.
Buksan doon sa may babaw na ano.
Sige.
Ready, go!
Nako, tukod.
May nalang ang piston.
Sige.
Kuryente.
Isa pa.
Kapil niya.
One more. Ready, go!
Santikin niya. Para may ano, tumutok.
Doon lang sa ano. Ay, sige. Hugutin mo yung malaki. Okay.
Yes.
Ready, go!
Sige pa. Isa pa. Pwede na yan. Puputok na yan.
Pasukin mo. Pasukin mo yun.
of changing the sensor and tama na, huwag mong bumbahin. Kaya mo unti-unti may bugak. Eh talaga hindi nga under yung litang. Ikita mo, ibaba mo yung ano, buto. Baba. Ibaba mo. Sentro nga. Malawit yung buto. Yan. Ibaba mo, sentro. Yan. Gerardo, say hi. Yan po. Sila yung mag-assist sa ano. Ganda na yun daw. Problema ngayon pa. Problema ngayon pa. Okay, everything is clear, but the diesel is empty, I think. See, the aero now is empty, but the diesel is near to become empty. It's already lighted. May laman na langis yung loob, kaya hirap umikot.
Meron nga. Kunti lang yung kwan.
Kaya yun, hindi siya talaga maka-redundo ng mabilis.
May natapon kanina.
Dapat kanina, pala pinaridundo muna siya bago nilagay yung injector para pumusngat.
Yan nga yung kwan kanina eh.
Ha?
Pinirik ka kanina. Wala sa isip.
Oo. Kasi mangyayari dyan, ayan, katulad yun, oh. Baho. Baho, truck migaw.
Anin talaga yan. Anin,
Hmm.
anin na piston.
Ayan siya. Siya yung mechanic ko na nag-fix ng lahat. So, abangan nyo tong video na to. May upload ko para makita nyo yung result. Ganda na ng under. Ganda na ng under. Oh. Problema nga yung ano, yung hydraulic pump niya. Yung oil pump. Oil pump yung tinanggal mo. Oil pump yun. Yun ang may problema.
Sira ko yun.
Oh, mahina na pressure. Di ba may tagas sa ano to sa ano niya? Pagitan ng housing. You can hear the sound of engine. Little bit smoking. Because they removed the injector and the fuel pump. Okay, unlike before when I was uploaded, it is different problem. At the same as the sensor problem, but now it's more, not only a sensor. There's a problem also in the pump. The oil pump and the pump. Sorry. The pump, oil pump, it is not giving full pressure to the actuator. So the result, it is not a stable acceleration. So we hope that this problem, we will try for a few minutes to run it. We will see how the result. Pag-accelerate yan, makikita ako maganda reaction. Pag tapak mo ganun, biglang palo nung ano, tinama. Ayan. Ang bilis sa reaction niya. Kunting tapak pa lang, bilis ang action.
RPM yun?
Pag malakas ang makina, yung maganda yung hatak. Yan ang isa ko.
Ano to? 8?
Ha?
8? 8 lang yung minor nyo.
Oh, baba pa yan. Pagka ano niya na yung warm. Nagwa-warm up yan eh. Normal yan sa makina. Lahat ng makina ganyan, di ba? Alam mo yan yung pag inandar mo, ang taas ng idle niya. Tapos pag na-reach niya na yung tamang temperature, ika-cut out niya, bababa siya, magna-normal idle na siya.
Mainit na yung kwan.
Kaya lang paubusan yung diesel niya, baka maubusan. So,